This video, we're going to show how I organized what's left of the ephemera and the paper so that we can start making our embellishments, and it goes quick and easy. Stay tuned. And yes, we will be making this embellishment in this video. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm back with another segment of the August Altered Anything Goes Junk Journal Challenge. Right now I have this box of items that I have collected to use possibly in this journal. So I am going through and I am just organizing them by what they are, kind of size and shape. So I have various pieces, the cutouts. I have little table tags and things like that, even some memory decks cards, and so that's what I'm doing here. Little tiny pages. I have this cute little window thing. I have, this was from one of the kit clubs, and it was showing us their stamp pads. So I have that. Just a variety of things. So I'm going to go ahead and separate these out and we'll be back. So these are all organized. I have memory decks cards and other kinds of cards, little tiny cards, a little card with a little envelope. I have the cutoff pieces from the items that we used, and then also from, as I was going through and cleaning up my room, I found some other pieces. These are cards. This is actually the cover for a notepad, and some other cards that I can use. I have guest checks here in the back, pink and green, a few different styles. I have these little note papers that I collect. I'm always collecting these notepads. You see them in several of my hauls. And so I have some Eiffel Towers. I have this cute one that says C'est la vie. And so those, some other cards that just thought that they might go with this. When I was cleaning my craft room, I just put all these things in a box. I have some tags, some Maggie Holmes tags, some other tags, just random. We got some more of these that I had cut with my Cricut. Let's see, larger cards and note papers. So several note papers that I thought I might be able to use in here. And for this simple journal, I'm probably just going to put those note papers in there. I'm not going to attach them to anything. I also have several envelopes. This is a Heidi swap. This was given to me, just some regular envelopes. There's the other half of one of the cutout pockets. And then I have these photo envelopes that I might go ahead and be able to use in there. Okay, so then we have still so many of the cutoff pieces, because I used a 12 by 12 paper pad. Here's one of these. We'll put that there. Some more of the cutoff paper pieces. And then I do still have some of the C'est la vie digital kit pieces that I can use if I need some more. So this is the C'est la vie Très Jolie. Paris Très Jolie digital kit. It's 5 files, and then there's an ephemera and pages, and I still have a couple of those. And then I have these that are the Très Jolie, and they're printed at 5 by 7, so they're a little bit smaller. So I still have those that I can use. And then I have this little box. I have all the little ephemera pieces that I've been putting up there, but I do have another piece of the fabric. I have some doilies. I have this window that was a gift. And then I have all these little items, including a little scooter, a little poodle, some gold things, some tag, some lace, just random things that I can use. So, so let's go ahead and I'm going to clean this mess up. Woo! Okay, they're all organized and in this little thing here, and I'm going to put it in my new little tray over here on the side. So I'll be working right here. Now that we're all organized, we can go ahead and make an embellishment. So going through, I think we will go ahead. We're going to use a card. So it's double-sided, gives us a place to journal on the inside, and we're just going to decorate the outside. I love this because it is actually in French, and we're going to use one of these little note cards, which is kind of fun. I do have some washi tape that I had stuck over here, so I think I'm going to pull out my favorite black and white washi tape. I have another doily we might use, and we'll try these cards. Okay, so we've got, these are the ephemera cards that I have. Yeah, those are the ephemera cards I have left. Okay, so using the card as a base, maybe some washi tape down at the bottom, or C'est la vie. Okay. No, don't like that. Oh, I like that. Okay. Okay, so we have four rectangles that we are doing. You can actually copy this as a template and kind of get an idea of how you could do that. We do still have the doily, and I have used gold throughout this this journal. I'm going to go ahead. You see that I don't need to use the whole doily, and anytime that I can save part of the doily, I'm going to save part of the doily. Okay, so there's that. Okay, I like that. And I think we're going to go ahead and put some washi tape across the bottom. I wonder if we should go across the very bottom. Maybe with just a little tiny piece of the blue showing. Okay, so it just makes things so much easier if you've put your pieces that you're going to be using, if you're able to organize them. And so that was what I wanted you to see. Now I'm just going to come back on this side because this is going to go on the other side, and so I wanted to have something decorating it. We'll just use this washi tape. So I get this washi tape at Michael's. And yes, this is going to come and fold over and go over a page where there's a plain page and a plain page. And oh yeah, and then when I do my paperclip video, I will make a paperclip for this. So you'll notice I'm going to leave this area kind of empty because I want to be able to put a paperclip there and not have it compromise the rest of the thing here. So okay, so now let's just kind of get an idea of our placement. I think first things first, I'm going to go ahead and put this doily on here. And that's just because, see, since I cut it, and I'm not using the whole doily, I want to make sure that my, that this edge doesn't come up and you don't see where I cut the doily. Okay. I'm okay. I want to see the words here are in the right orientation. Up here, they're upside down. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. And I knew it needed to be glued down because it has an orange background, and the orange only matches like 2 pages in the whole journal. So there. I think we were kind of close to the edge over here. So we'll just hold this down. This was coffee dyed, so it it does have a little bit of a wrinkle to it. Okay, now remember we're going to have a decorative paper clip that will eventually go right there. I want this close. I'm kind of disappointed that I have that happening over here. Let's see if we can fix it with the leftover, the banner that I have here. Since we are using banner throughout this journal. Okay, I can live with that. You can use any paper-to-paper glue that you like. I really like to use this fabric tack, especially when I'm making videos, because it glues so fast. I really haven't had any trouble with it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, par la, and above the T. I'm just figuring out where it needs to go on here. You'll notice I'm not making any pockets on this or anything. No special reason. I know it's shock that there's something I'm making and I'm not putting a pocket on it. Okay. Okay, so par la and above the T. Line it up with this line right here. Make sure we're straight there. Okay. So there's been a lot of collaging in this journal. I think collaging is really fun and a great way to use up items that you have. Okay. I'm going to pull that just so it's up a little bit above. If I pull it over a little, because otherwise, because this blue, because of the round part here, you're not seeing the blue, and that's kind of bothering me. Okay, so this is, I really like that. And I think we'll come back and we'll make a paper clip to go there. This side would probably like to have some little thing. I'm going to wait and see where this goes in the book, in the journal. So let's take a look, and that will help me figure out what to put on the other side. So I love this journal. Yep. Oh, like that page. Even though we already have, I don't know. Okay, could go there. Could go there. Oh, I like that, because then you can also journal on this page or add pictures. So I like it. I think it's going to be really pretty on there, and it's going to have a, it'll have its own little paper clip. Okay, so c'est la vie. Put that right in there. So that is our video for today. It was organizing your items to making your embellishments much easier. We've now added a washi tape that we can use throughout this journal, which will be really fun. And I really like the way that we've got the stripe here, along with the C'est La Vie. You've got your little triangle thing going there, and makes it very pleasing to the eye. So find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Organize your ephemera when you're working in your journal, and tell me what you think and how that worked for you. Have a great day. Thanks for being here. Bye.